You might be wondering, how small can a comet be to wreak havoc on a global scale? Imagine a celestial snowball hurtling through space, seemingly harmless at first glance. But what if I told you that even a relatively small comet could have catastrophic consequences for our planet? Picture this: a comet just a few kilometers in diameter. It doesn't sound like much when you consider the vastness of space, but this icy traveler carries with it the potential to unleash destruction akin to 1,000 nuclear bombs. The energy released upon impact would be immense, enough to cause massive climate shifts, tsunamis, and widespread fires. The infamous Chicxulub impactor, believed to have wiped out the dinosaurs, was around 10 kilometers in diameter. This gives us a chilling perspective on the power even a small comet can hold. Recent studies have shown that a comet as small as 1 kilometer could still cause significant damage, potentially leading to a global winter by throwing up enough dust and debris to block sunlight. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Scientists have discovered that the composition of a comet plays a crucial role in the level of devastation it can cause. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rocky material, but their exact makeup can vary. Some might contain more volatile compounds, which could lead to even greater explosive impacts upon collision with Earth. In the past decade, astronomers have made strides in detecting and tracking these cosmic wanderers. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission, for example, has been instrumental in mapping the paths of potentially hazardous comets. With advancements in technology, we now have a better chance of predicting when and where a comet might strike, giving us precious time to prepare. But what about deflection? Could we potentially nudge a comet off its collision course? Concepts like kinetic impactors and gravity tractors are being explored, but these methods require precise calculations and timely execution. The stakes are high and the margin for error is slim. Now let's talk about something fascinating: the role of comets in Earth's history. Scientists believe that comets may have been responsible for delivering water and organic compounds to our planet, possibly even sparking the beginnings of life. So, while they pose a threat, they also hold the secrets to our past. As we gaze up at the night sky, it's a stark reminder of the delicate balance we exist in. The universe is vast and unpredictable, and while we can't control it, we can strive to understand and prepare for its surprises. In conclusion, even a comet as small as 1 kilometer in diameter could cause global devastation through a combination of impact energy, climate alteration, and secondary effects like tsunamis and fires. Understanding and tracking these celestial bodies is crucial for our safety and survival. So keep your eyes on the stars, because you never know what might be coming our way.